Hey everyone, Mr. M here, and this week we are actually going to be jumping into a unit all about the tropical rainforest. It's going to be real fun. It's a really fun unit. So, as you can see in our Google Sites on our homepage, we have our title, the tropical rainforest, and you have instructions here, and it gives you a little background information and some fun facts about the rainforest. At the bottom, you can email me at this email anytime. You may have any questions about anything. Please don't hesitate. But before you read anything on this first page, I would like for you to go to topic 1 right up here at the top. And this is an inquiry into the rainforest. And this is just a couple questions to see what you may know already about the rainforest. A couple questions, and it's okay. There are no right or wrong answers, but I would like you to fill these out and let me know what you know. And then for after that, you can go back to the home page and you can read this here, find out some cool facts. When we go to topic 2, our second topic is layers of the rainforest. So it gives you instructions at the top. Please watch this video. It gives you really cool information about the layers, the different layers. And then for the first activity, I would like you to draw the layers of the tropical rainforest, and then you could submit a picture of it, take a picture of it and submit it to this link right here. For the second activity, I want you to imagine, close your eyes and imagine that you had to spend the night inside a tropical rainforest. How would you survive? Where would you sleep? What would you eat and drink? What would you do for fun? So answer these in the Google Docs that's down here for activity 2. And if there's any other information that you want to share, please write it down in there. For our third topic, you click up here for topic 3. And we are going to the animals and plants of the rainforest. So from slithering anacondas to fluttering blue morpho butterflies, rainforests teem with life. In fact, these precious ecosystems are home to 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity, which means they have a lot of plants and animals. So it's just an overview of some of the animals, the gorilla, the blue morpho butterfly, some really cool animals and plants that are called the tropical rainforest home. So, and all the way at the very bottom, there's quite a few. There are some interactive games, educational games that you can go into that will help you understand what kind of plants and animals live in the different layers. You can explore the rainforest, and you can also go into a virtual treehouse, which is really fun and really cool. And for the very last thing, you go to topic 4, click up here at topic 4, and this is going to be your end of unit. Show me what you know. I would like you to do a slideshow presentation. So you are going to use Google Slides to create a slideshow presentation, and you must use at least 3 slides, not including the title slide. That doesn't count. On the first slide, I want you to talk about at least 2 of the animals that you learned about. On the second slide, I want you to talk about at least 2 of the plants that you learned about. And on the very last slide, I want you to tell me why you think the rainforest is important, and I want you to give me what your favorite thing about the rainforest was. What did you learn? What did you find exciting? What did you find interesting? What was your favorite thing? Was it an animal? And this down here is a Google slide by me that I did to give you an example, to show you what to do, what I'm expecting. But make it fun, have fun with it. This down here is the link that you can click on to submit your presentation, and that's about it. So everybody up here, you have your home and your 4 topics. You can email me anytime. Please feel free and have fun with it, okay? All right, guys.